Hello, hello, hello. Happy Thursday, everybody. How are y'all doing? Looks like NQ is like gapping up a bit from yesterday's close. Tanya, how's everything? How's thoughts on the market now that NVIDIA earnings are over? Let's check out NVIDIA. It's funny, I have this chart from like a while ago, I think. I always had this chart from here when I was looking at it in January. It's funny how we broke that and a massive gap down from that Chinese AI news. And then you had it reject that same level later around it. Now it's gapping up. It's pre-market. It's like up here, 135-ish. I think it looks pretty strong, pretty good. You have some flat, smooth highs up here. NVIDIA pretty much always beats earnings. It's all about like the guidance and how the market reacts. It could beat earnings and not have a good reaction to it, but it looks like it did, so that's good. Because it beat it by, wow, 5% on the earnings and the revenue, 3%. Okay. I'm not going to let that totally dictate my NQ bias, but like that's keeping that in mind for sure. We have open in about 3 minutes. Let's see what people vote. I got my silver plaque. Looks like most people, 79%, are saying to open it on the stream. Okay, afterwards. So let's put up what's your bias poll. I'll do it at the end. We had 8:30 news, right? Tomorrow with PCE. And we have 10 a.m. pending hold sales, which is orange folder news. Okay, cool. That could be pretty volatile. So. Okay, vote what's your bias. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the open. Someone said chair long. That's funny. Okay, it's been 1 minute into the open. Nvidia's up 2.3%. Amazon's up 1.8%. Av goes up 2%. Everything else is pretty neutral on the day. Is that a new bookshelf behind? Yep. Supposed to get wooden panels behind, but there's also renovations happening on my hallway. So the service elevator is really being like used up. So it's going to happen on, the handyman told me we'll do it on Saturday. So in the meantime, got the bookshelf assembled. No, I did not assemble that. I hired a task rabbit for that because that is not my forte, putting things together like that. That would take me probably 2 hours. Someone else took like 40 minutes. Yep. Honestly, these are smooth highs at previous day high for NQ. Could potentially go there. Especially like Nvidia also has those smooth highs. Not too sure. Kind of neutral on the day. What do you guys voted? You guys voted mostly bullish. Cool. 55% voted bullish. 27% voted bearish. And 18% neutral. Okay. Polls over since it's like the open and people change their votes based on what's happening in the first 10 minutes. So I like to put up the poll before the open or right at it and then give you guys a couple minutes because otherwise, it starts moving and then there's people that come at like 10-15 voting bearish when it's been bearish, so that just skews things for no reason. Okay. We have 10 a.m. orange folder today. I do anticipate like larger days today and tomorrow. Maybe it won't be as large today because tomorrow's PCE. I'll see. What's the ATR now? 360. Okay. And how much have we moved so far today? $274. It's Castillo here. Good morning, everybody. Did I tilted because of losing 60 points after winning 100 points a day? I don't think I truly tilted. But you guys could be the judge of that. Still, like, it's not like I lost what I made, so. I was a little pissed off, not gonna lie, after I tried shorting, and then like I saw in the afternoon at lunchtime, that's when we dropped. I tried short literally 3 times. I got chopped in here, got stopped out in here, and then like an hour later, just a boom. I did not trade the afternoon there. Kind of had an alert here, and then I saw it didn't even retrace, and I was like, all right, well, new low day. I'm not really gonna touch it. So today's a new day. I don't think I tilted. I think there's been worse. I don't think I was too angry, and I didn't do anything crazy afterwards, right? Like, what does tilted really mean? It's like is that a gaming term or like a poker term? I think. I think there is like certain words definitely get overused on on the internet, like simp is definitely overused too. Tilted, yeah. Simp too. It's like someone could just give me a compliment and then they're called a simp. I'm like, damn. Girls can't get compliments on the internet. Tilt is an emotional state when doing the exact same activity over and over produces negative results. It's an emotional breakdown and frustration of your hard work not resulting in the success that you crave so desperately. That's from Urban Dictionary. I don't know. I didn't try it that many times. It's a Fortnite term. Yeah, I think it is a poker term from when I read The Mental Game of Trading. Oh, nice job. Modern Tech Life caught most of the drop. Nice yesterday. Yeah, Jared Tendler the GOAT. Yeah. Pinball term, tilting the machine. You think so? Pinball before poker. That makes sense. When someone gets so mad at pinball, they tilt the machine. Wow, I never thought of that. Okay. That's actually, chat taught me something new today, I think. ES did retrace into this daily FEG and even tapped into this like, I don't think it tapped the high of the FEG, but completely wicked it, closed down pretty weakly yesterday, but then closed down pretty weak yesterday, and then but we had Nvidia earnings, and let's see what's up. Nvidia is now flat on the day after being up 2%. Okay, kind of dropping. Took away its gains pre-market, so it's basically where yesterday closes. Yeah, so you have a divergence there because NQ did not reach up into it at the moment, right? So if there's bearishness, this could be the divergence that's happening now. I'd probably look for another divergence here. It's probably, ES is much stronger. It's already above pre-market highs, right? Is it? Oh, no, it's not. I think it's just like a bigger on my screen. Okay, let's make them similar sizing. So I don't need that anymore. I'll put previous day high here for ES. I mean, yeah, this is liquidity still. This low for NQ. These lows. This is London low. Pretty close to each other, like 18 points away. Okay, so ES came back up into the 830 open, rejected that. This is a 15. It's actually kind of clean there. See on the 15 here. Probably a divergence in the 5, right? Yeah. NQ took out that little tiny swing high on the 5-year, 5-minute divergences there. It still did close like and reject 830, 930 open. Same thing with ES. So now let's see if continued bearishness to look into. Hit that pre-market low, NQ did at least. ESS catching up to do. Yeah, pretty huge dump there. Yep, huge, we're dumping. So now NVIDIA's down 1.3%. We're going towards midnight open. Chat voted 50, mostly bullish today, 55% bullish. I think it was 23% bearish. That little SMT on the 5 that we're breaking down, like, I'm just wait for retracements. We just straight up dump without a retracement. It's gonna suck. It's kind of what we've been doing. We just dropped like freaking 200 points. Wow. In 8 minutes or less. Damn. 213 points in 7 minutes. Damn. That's actually wild. Mm-hmm. I know what's the best time frame you use. 15 minutes the best. Anyway, we're about to probably invert this hourly. We'll see the next 15 minutes, but it's likely. It's like we end up inverting this. Yeah, let's like measure out that whole swing now from here to there. Kind of wild. Straight up did not. It didn't give me any. Unless you want to just enter the inversion here on this candle, 937, then you could have done that. But I don't really enter before 945 most times. What did ES do? Did it take that pre-market low or not? I think it did, right? Yeah, went below it by 1 tick. Your range so far from that leg. 220 points in 8 minutes. We have orange folder news at 10. Let's see, NQ. Let's put on the 15-minute. Let's put on the stat map indicator, right? Wow, 1.3 thousand people use that indicator. It's crazy for a private one. Four-hour opened here, the 6 a.m. one. The distribution it distributed to it did manipulate to the area where they designated, and then the new 4-hour candle will open at 10. Let's see the daily. Yeah, it could distribute to previous day low. I want to see the it's good that it keeps dropping. I kind of do want to see the hourly invert that. Fair value gap, the bullish BISI. So I'm fine with it if it does. And then I'd rather see, like, I want to see some 10 a.m. manipulation to the upside TBH. It's ideal. Totally is for NQ. NQ's very weak here. Yes, flat on the day. NQ's down 0.2% only. Yeah, this is the weekly so far in NQ. You see, you have all this trend line liquidity on the weekly. I do think that this week or next week could take that out. So I'm still bear bias. So I'll see if the 959 candle like closes below this. Even so, I do think like it's definitely shifted bearish. So if we have some sort of retracement, I'd still be bearish. So we dug completely way too much into these order blocks. we had the manipulation at the open already. It does seem like today could be continuing a trend day lower. So we had that nice manipulation at the open. Looks like it keeps dropping, which is good. I'm not on anything at the moment, but, you know, kind of looking at options. Probably wait until after 10 a.m. news. It would kind of suck if 10 a.m. news just has this, like, death candle to the downside. It would suck, but we'll see. It sucks when you're, I don't know, when you're like, I started saying, yeah, it's the divergence, okay, now it's confirming to the downside, and it's just, you know, straight down, basically. Doesn't give you any retracement entries. But I think it's not even close to being over. It's only 9:53. And NQ's only down like 0.3% at the moment. Yeah, it could attack like literally all of this liquidity. Let's see. On the weekly, what's the swing low? This and this. Previous day low was about a 2.5 extension. Also, that's where stat map pretty much ended. Yeah, we're definitely going to completely invert this freaking hourly. Look how much we're dumping. It's crazy. This weekly sell side is actually lined up with 4.5 standard deviation. Cool. I'm going to wait until 10 a.m. open. Like, I really do need to wait until the next hourly open because, you know, it just keeps dropping and dropping and dropping. So, no entries for me at least. Congrats if you've been playing this, trading this to the downside and you're printing. Print, money. Okay, let's see here. The daily, he moved 330 points. Okay. Is this actually the previous day low? It's like 2 days before low. It's this week's low. I would think that we could keep going more though, because like we're in an expansion week. We're not just gonna stop at the low we made on Tuesday. So even if it hits that without me getting an entry, I'll still look for shorts. We're not gonna look for a reversal there. I was honestly looking for it to maybe like bounce here back into this area, but we are just dropping. No retracements. Right? Because I had this up. I was like, this is the midpoint. It's a fast and furious market this morning. Started dropping at 9:37 without any retracements. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't see it stopping at this one because this one paused at 50% of this wick. And if we take this out, we're going to take this. Like, I think we should be taking all of it out because it's a low resistance liquidity run conditions. So I wouldn't really. Yeah, I'm not looking to flip my bias anytime soon this morning. Bro, we just keep fucking going, huh? 10 a.m. news in like 2 minutes. This is crazy. I said I'd want it to not dump during 10 a.m. news, and I thought we'd hang around here or something. Nope, we just straight dumped before it, in the 5 minutes before it. How much? Like 100 points. 200, another 200 points there. Wow. What the heck is going on? This morning probably has like a 400 point move right now. Yeah, 380. CES. Pause right before this week's low so far on NQ. Does not hit it at the moment, but you know. Again, I don't know if we'll get the retracement. There hit this week's low, Tuesday's low. Lots of, yeah, let's see. Bro, we could have, the dump is just insane. I'm like looking at news to see if there was anything like, nah. That was at 8:47, Trump talking about more tariff stuff. Okay. Now Nvidia went from up 2% to down 4%. It's wild. Sheesh. Yeah, what's the solution here? You just short a 30-second, like, you know, that's the only solution. Short a 30-second, like a little imbalance. That's basically it. Like, find any little imbalance. That's what it is on these days. It's crazy. Right? So that's the FEG that broke this week's low. That's basically it on these days that are fast and furious like that, right? That's a 2R. You need a huge stop. Like a humongous stop, 90-point stop. Plus, like, you are just shorting after the market's already down 400 points. So you'd have to take like 3 micros. Yes, I hit this week's low yet either. Hmm. I think this fair value gap's pretty important. This, see if it holds up in the lower half. We just took the weekly low. I think we should be dumping more. So, I'm taking tiny sizing here, like 2 micros. Because you need a freaking huge stop out on that. And it's a deep discount. It's 10:04 only. Let's see. It's like last line in the sand for that. But I am still in this. Just a couple of micros. Risky short, but let's see how it goes. I think even here is a 2R. Yeah, it looks decent and it looks still very heavy. There's no bullish FEGs on the 30 seconds, so that's good. On the 2 minute, I feel like this is going to be even cleaner. No, it's not, but it's good enough on the 1. Back to break even there. It starts like, I might end up cutting it if it starts like coming back up again into this area. We'll see, because you just want more fast dumps. You don't want now consolidation here. Give it 2 more minutes. Yeah, I want it to dump in the next like 3 minutes or so. Give it through. Ooh, what time is it? 10:05? Okay. Yeah, because you don't want it to wick this on the 15. Might be wicking it and then retrace into this huge FEG. So then give you more time later on to catch a dump, which is why I'm like just going really small, this sizing. I don't like that. It didn't start dumping there and cutting it. I closed it. I don't like it, that it's consolidating right now, so that's not worth it. Just on those 2 micros taking 0.5R. I'm not going to do that right now at the moment. I'm going to rather mark this out now on the 15 and just wait for retracement. Okay, let's see here. Mark out the entire range. Yeah, 10 a.m. did reach this week's low, 10:10, so gotta be super careful now about there being potential consolidation. Okay, I'm glad I cut that. That was scary. Cut it right there. Okay. See, this is 50% of the 15-minute. That kind of lines up with this. Beginning of the 10 a.m. candle. Yeah, I'm happy I took that stop prematurely because this is just not dumping down here. Yeah. Okay. ES now retracing into See if ES retraces 50%. That'll be actually good. He hasn't even reached this week's low yet. Yeah, I would switch to 30-second on ES. Now it's in like a 5-minute fair value gap that broke all these lows, and it is above the manipulation area, if I think, which I do think I'm still bearish here. So I'm just going to wait for a 30-second shift in structure there. I don't have to do it for ES, but I could also do it for NQ. It is above the manipulation also, and the same type of thing. Yeah, if anything, I'd rather short NQ. Okay. Don't need that indicator anymore. Where is it? The extension for the distribution, though? Okay, it's fine. Pretty much just gonna wait for another short opportunity. And I'm on the 30-second now because we're in a 5-minute POI. And we're just in a super fast market, so I would rather do that. Me. I put more books behind me. And my other bookshelf, which is full, but I'll transfer them over. Ugh. Around the 15-minute point of interest, so. I'm pretty much just waiting for a shift of structure now. Back to the downside. I'm not anything, but I just want to see like what would my risk have to be. Like five-ish, 3 to 5, because it's just such a big range. Okay. I think it's the second time now this week, or like I think the last time was no, the last time was actually last Friday. Chat was like 63% bullish. We just straight dumped all day. So far we dumped for the first hour. We could just be consolidating or pushing up a little bit higher. I'm going to demand definitely displacements. Otherwise, you can get yourself hurt. It's just completely just like reverses. It's going to be one hell of a show. Yes, all the way back up to pre-market low. Completely, this is a huge push up right there. Took out that swing high that took out the pre-market low ES. Let's see here, NQ. Where's the equivalent here? Like midnight open, yeah. for NQ. This is insane. So we take out this and then we just completely come all the way up into a premium for ES. That's crazy to me. I'm glad I didn't like try to short again. Damn. Did not anticipate that. There's a freaking huge pump there on that 1 minute. It's like 12 points in 1 minute ES. Let's see on NQ. What was that? 50? Oh, like 48 points. It's one of the most wild markets I've seen like all month for sure today. Anyway, let's see what happens here. We're back into 50%. This is my point of interest for NQ. Definitely weaker than ES. I mean, ES, honestly, we'll see if this ends up inverting the whole move that I just did in the last couple minutes. If it does, I don't know what kind of freaking stop that would be. Insane too. Yeah, like I would need to take 3 or 4 micros on that. But that's not even confirmed yet, just saying. But you do have, yeah, you have divergences here. This couldn't keep up. So let's see if NQ does end up doing something here. Or does it keep, if it keeps this entire FEG, can keep running and then I'll just be wrong on the downside move. I'm fine. I'm still saying I'm not bullish. So I'm not going to try longs. But I need it to confirm bearishness, like it's not at the moment. We had 1, 2 legs up, 1, 2, 3 legs up. I'm anticipating move down soon. If it doesn't give it to me, then whatever. But I'm getting ready. Actually, then I would do that if it dropped from here. And that would be the new swing high. We'll see. It's slow, which I don't love, you know. You want fast reversals. So there's no confirmation for that. Gotta wait. Yeah, so then I could afford like 5 or 6 when the time comes, if the time comes. Not, then whatever. The time is at 10:30. Okay. It's looking more and more like, we hit major sell side before 10, that it could just end up consolidating. If I don't get a displacement, like an obvious displacement, I'm not going to do it. If we're just wicking around, then I'm not going to do it. But if there is a displacement, then I will do it. Let's see. So far, nothing. We're just hanging around 50% of the whole range. Yes, did you invert anything? No. Kind of funny. Put an alert if it does invert. The move up. Oh, look, we might be starting lower. I don't want to miss this. Need a close displacement here now. No, 8 seconds left. It's not doing it. Might be the moment of truth here. Let's see. The tiny little 30-second there. I'm not short yet, you guys. I'm just letting everybody know. It's not at the moment. Inverts now. Closes below. And then I'll try shorting somewhere. Okay. I'm gonna try that short. Here, stops there. It should move quickly if I'm right. Inverted, it does have some displacements here on the 30-second, and yeah, it should move quickly if I'm correct here. Like, where's 2R here? Okay, this is 2R, this week's low again. So far, it's moving a little bit in my direction. I don't like that it's wicking again, but I'm just gonna hold this. So I'm gonna hold, yeah. This weekly sell side. So far, I'm up 20 points. I think I'm on the right side, so I'm gonna hold this. Super patient on that re-entry. Yeah, I want it to completely just die at this midpoint. I don't want it to like get scooped up or whatever. This 5-minute FEG, we'll see how this closes. Yeah, ideally, but this is already a really nice 5-minute candle to the downside. So far I'm up 34 points. Okay. It's 10:34. CES here broke this. Yeah, I see more downside in the cards. If this just sweeps this and takes me out, I don't even care, because I see a potential like banger. Like this is a banger possibility. Like 5. That'd be kind of crazy. 300 points though. Totally possible though. There's been a lot of news today, especially with tariffs. So I'm gonna hold. Yeah. Gonna hold. This is only 1R anyway. I don't take partials there. Or not even 1R, honestly. Yeah, it shouldn't even have come here, honestly. So I do think that it's gonna melt down. You have the SMR. I got the SMR basically when it inverted this 1 minute here. And I am measured this out, but like I do think that all of this is gonna fail on the downside, on the upside. Like every bullish, if I'm right, every bullish PD array should fail. Yeah, so I'm gonna hold. See on this 5-minute what ended up happening here. I think I like it still. There's a tiny 5-minute, that tiny 5-minute FEG. It's not like we broke structure on the 5-minute, you know? I do anticipate this getting broken. So I'm not even worried that it's creeping back to my break even. I don't find it that relevant. TBH. I know some people would put stop break even right away after this low is taken. I think I'd rather do like a time stop situation. What is it, 15? There's 7 minutes left in that 15-minute candle. Okay. I'm down 1 point now after being up 30-ish. Should definitely not invert this, then I could get cooked here. Yeah, the shorts are not gonna fucking work. I'm like, what? A few points before my stop right now. We'll see. We'll see. I mean, there's literally 1 minute left in this 2-minute candle. I'm still not stopped, but that was fucking crazy retracement. See the 5 here. Also, I put the wrong, I put 1 point below that. Could have gotten cooked there. I still don't even like this. It's crazy ass retracement. Gotta hold it through. Gotta see it through though. $40 seconds left in this candle. Let's see. I definitely think, yeah, this high should stay intact. Very uncomfortable. I was in immediate profit for like 3 minutes, and now it's just retracing like a bitch. You gotta hold it. See, did it invert this on the 2? Yeah, pretty much. It's not looking good for me then. I'm holding it though. Didn't invert on the 1. Feels like one of those days where it comes like 2 points before my stop. It's crazy. What's this? What's this high? It came like 5 points. Yeah. Yeah, by the end of this 5-minute candle, I'm not in profit. It's gonna be bad news. Let's see. This 15-minute, I wanna see the end of this 15-minute candle, yeah. Okay. Well, now I'm back at break even. This is a wild ass ride. Not gonna lie, it's a wild ass ride today. I don't want to go to the 30-second. If I entered it based on the 1 minute, I'm not going to go get worried about a 30-second FEG. But I am noting this little bullish one that's holding up for the moment. Come on, die. The 3rd minute of the 5-minute candle. I need this like bullish one to like die. It's not doing it. That's looking good for me at all. What's ES doing? Is it like stronger? No. I might get cooked. 2-minute. Held up here too. Like I said, I'll have to see at this end of this 5-minute, 15-minute candle. 2 minutes left. Ugh, because I want to be in like a fast market. If this is just consolidating here, then it's more likely that it's not good for me. Back to break even-ish. Not really. I gotta just see it through. This is just a hard ass trade, but I have to see it through. I need to see a new swing low. Literally not doing it. It's not even giving you swing highs either. It's the worst. I'm stuck in a trade that's consolidating. This is the worst. I just move and let the chair trade for me. Stops are in. Let the chair do the job. 5-minute candle close, like a freaking inside doji, not helpful at all. 15-minute candle. Once again, not really helpful in any regard. Back to my break even now again. I need to see it start expanding downside leg now, honestly. Otherwise. All right, let's see. When did I enter this trade? Entered it here, right? This moment, 31. I've been in it for 15 minutes. Been in it for 15 minutes. Yeah, so it needs to, basically start expanding now, or else I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna give it a time stop of like, I don't know. I don't even know right now. A few minutes, honestly, for this candle to start moving down lower here, because this one took out the high. It's an indecision candle. Yeah, I need the next 2 minutes. I'm giving this 2 minutes. If this candle is not down, breaking below here and staying below, then I'm going to cut the trade. Yeah. I can't stay in this freaking 2 minute forever. See this 2 minute candle here. You have a minute left until I cut the trade if you're staying in this area. I'm not going to stay in consolidation here. If we start threatening it, maybe it'll work. So stupid. Can't deal with this. So annoying. $50 seconds left. Going the opposite way. $13 seconds left, and I'm probably going to cut this. Yeah, I'm cutting this. I didn't cut it yet, but I need to cut it. Cut it, Tanya. Cut it. I cut it. All right. I cut that here. It's just consolidating. I don't want to get caught in this. I didn't even lose so much there. I lost 14 points there. Yeah, it's consolidating now. So I'm going to have to wait until the afternoon session for more downside, I'm pretty sure. Because it's just not. Otherwise, if it starts doing something during the 1050 macro, if it displaces and inverts this, I'll try again, but I don't think it is. That's my point. It's like it took forever to do that, so. I don't want to get caught in consolidation. We had accumulation, AMD manipulation, distribution. And this is going to be another accumulation. It looks so promising here, not gonna lie. But yeah, scary ass retracement. At least I didn't get stopped out there. It's just accumulating. Disgusting. $10.50 macro. Let's see if I end up re-entering. It's unlikely. Okay. Let's see. If it doesn't invert this, I'm not going to get in. Did not invert it, by the way. All right, I don't want to be rushing into any trade then. $44 seconds left. Let's see what's this ES doing here. Nothing. We made a swing high there, another high. See, might end up inverting. 22 seconds. Nothing. Okay. Yep. Stopped in this 1 minute like volume imbalance. So it's pretty much consolidating. Accumulation. Accumulation. Maybe I should give it until the 10:50 macro. Forgot. It's okay, there's always time to re-enter. See. All right, I'm re-entering. Just re-entered. Let me see here. What's the stop loss? That swing high. It needs to drop like now. Like quickly, really quickly. Otherwise, I'm cutting it. I know I've been saying that, but that's how inversions basically work. Like, you don't want it to. You don't want to be in drawdown for a while there. Oh, where'd it go? There it is. You see a fast drop now. Like this needs to get torn out like in the next 2 minutes. No, I don't want any wick and then close it back in it. Okay, let me see on the 30 second, in the 1 minute, 30 second. Okay. I entered based on like 1 minute inversion of this little thing. So definitely my stop is like here. Third time's the charm, you guys. And seriously, if it wicks this on the 2 minute, I'm gonna reevaluate pretty quickly. On the 5, let's see on the 5. Yeah, this 5 minute candle. It's already fucking stupid, not gonna lie. It's not dropping this quickly. Let's see though. Just inverted. Did it invert this? Yeah, it is about to. Let's see in the next 30 seconds how this goes. So serious. If this just comes back into the range, I'm cutting this immediately. Like, I'm not going to play around in this. It freaking closed within the range. Yeah, I'm cutting that for break even immediately. I'm out. Immediately break even there. I'm not doing that. If it just dumps down, I don't even care. I just can't deal with this right now. The fact that it keeps stalling and stalling. I don't even care. This market's like playing mind games on me today. Dude, are you serious? You're on the 5 here. Hmm. All right, I'm re-entering one last time, and that's it. That's it. That's it. I'm re-entering one last time. I'm back in, and I'm done. If this doesn't like start distributing. See this? Yeah. All right, same type of thing. I don't want it to retrace here. This is a swing low. I'm gonna let it do it. All right, now close below this this like fair value gap on the upside. If it retraces, like I might just whatever. The last trade was a break even. The trade before was like negative 10 points. I'm giving it. Finally, I'm gonna give it a shot. Like I realize I can't stand being even and break even recently. Let's see. I entered based on 2 minute. So I don't want this 2 minutes. So 84, yeah. 85. Yeah, 85. That's the thing. I keep realizing that if I miss this move, I'm gonna be more pissed than if I, take one stop out here, So here we are. Last chance. After I try, this is like literal 1, 2, 3. Technically, this is basically my third time trying it. I was just ended up breaking even on the last one. It's the same idea. Similar entries, not really a better entry on the last one, but whatever. But this one I have a shorter stop, so it's very similar. 2025 stop is there. 50. What's this high? Low. $84.75, right? Because I had that right idea on the trade before here, and I literally prematurely stopped out. I should have just waited until 10:50 back row, but whatever. At least I'm back in the game. So he's playing mind games on me. So now I'm here. I entered based on this inversion. I kind of mostly entered though. Wait, where is it? Yeah, I did. I just found something on the 15-second to get in. I don't even care. It's fine. That retracement's fine. Back in the 3-minute FEG. Yeah, I'm gonna let my chair cook for the rest of the stream. I'm not gonna watch this too much. It's not fun. It's a crazy ass market, but this looks fine. If the shorts are right, if we're right on the move down, all of this should fail. The little bullishness on the way up. We have been failing anyway. Swing low here, inversion here. This is the second chance to get in. I don't know. I chickened out. Entered here, then I don't know. I don't know why I cut it. Because I said, because it was just sweeping here and staying here. And I hate it when it sweeps. The distribution is ugly. It's fine. 11:10 is here. The market's playing mind games on me today. But I'm sticking with this. NVIDIA also has previous day low, this weekly low yet to hit. Yeah. What's crazy is that my original trade here that I cut here, this would have been 2R. And that's where I would have put stop break even, which would have been, I think this, which is pretty much where my stop is now, actually. Right? Because I entered that one here. Yeah, that's actually interesting. Okay. Now let's see new swing lows. We just made a retracement into that 3-minute. Rejected it. We want to see more lows being broken. Yeah, I kind of do want the weekly sell side to get hit in the morning session, honestly, or during lunch. I don't see us on the hourly just consolidating now, right? Look at this candle here. I don't know. I don't think so. Closed. This is a crazy hourly candle. This 15-minute, based on this close, I don't see us now just consolidating here. I see us distributing. right? And this 5 minute here. This is definitely like last line in the sand for the bulls. Is this like, this didn't even change state delivery, right? There's so many SIBIs above. This isn't really an order block in my humble opinion. Never even, took those out above. So I wouldn't even mark that as a potential bounce spot. As soon as this inversion, this 5 minute inverts, it should start distributing. Probably in the next candle, right? Because this one's getting rejected here. In the next 5 minutes, I'd ideally want to see that. Yeah, I'm like break even in this trade right now. I'm fine with it. I made peace with my trading today. I made peace with it. Easy. You have to forgive yourself. This would have been 2R and stop break even for if I didn't chicken out there. But literally, it was so unbelievably horrible. I should have waited, maybe given the time until 10:50. Because then literally at 10:50 here, 10:50 is here. That's just me journaling. That's fine. 10:50 did break and start closing below, and then we started getting more distribution. Anyway, let's see the next 5 minute candle. Lower. Where's my stop? 85? That's fine. Let me see here. From here to here. This is 50% actually, and it did end up rejecting. All right, this is the beginning of the next 5 minute candle. It's fine for it to retrace a bit. Let's see it start to distribute in the second half of the candle, start turning black. Right? This is also like the second candle, 5 minute and the 15 minute here. Dude, if we just like retrace, like, so stupid, If I get stopped out, like, I'm just gonna walk away. See, I'm down. But honestly, I'm taking the entry that's not the retracement entry there, so I'm fine. You know what's gonna suck is if it like retraces into here. I don't think it should though, so. 50%. It should not close back above 50% of it if it's a balanced price range. So, the order block. Yeah, so I'm fine with having my stop there. It's above this 5 minute too. Right? Yeah. It's right at 50% of that, right? Okay, right above it. Yeah. Uncomfortable retracement, not gonna lie, but I'm pretty much I'm not staring at my P&L or anything to kind of stay chill about it, because I saw what happened the last 2 trades when I did that. I just messed up executing it correctly, so we're staying in this. See this 5 minute candle. What's the close going to be like? Should be a good, like, at least down to here. 50 seconds left. That's a nice little drop there on the one. Seven, honestly, it is. My TP is going to be like this all the way down here. I do not care. I mean, I'll take some partials along the way, okay? But I think we can distribute. We're in Thursday. I don't think we're just pausing here. We already have that retracement now. We're following bearish order flow, etc. You know, that's the only thing I'm kind of worried about is this. If it wicks me out there and just like wicks this, that's going to be shitty. But I'm not going to change it now. It didn't. It did not stop me out, right? What's the high there? 78.50. It was crazy. I'm not loving that 5 minute. This next 5 minute candle, it's already above that one. It really needs to reject like now, obviously. I'm gonna be so freaking mad. Not mad, but I don't know. I'm not gonna be mad. Disappointed, I guess, in price action. Yeah. This piece of crap, I swear to God. Can't deal with this price action today. Whatever. Fucking hell. We're gonna have just this huge drop and then not drop more. That's so much fun. Dude. Dude, watch us fucking wick this. It's gonna be so stupid. I can't deal with this. Yo, it wicked it. I can't deal with this. I swear to God, it's so insane. Dude, I'm so annoyed. Yo, pissed off. Today's Thursday. Tomorrow's PCE. I honestly can't stand this shit. It just drops and drops, takes all out, all like so many of my sell side targets, retraces. You know, this is a fine entry. Yeah, and then just like, yeah, let's consolidate. So, and then now, like when you get in, it just consolidates. Yeah. An ES. Like what? What the hell are you even doing? Whatever. I'm glad I kept that stop in. That would have still gone stopped out. Here on this one, yeah, it really looked like I was gonna get. I think on this one, I should have waited until 10:50. Put my stop even here would have been fine. But I don't want to get into too many semantics. Then here on this one, just wasn't dropping. Got it break even. I try again. It looked good. It was disrespecting everything. And then what? We just stall and reverse. Okay. What is going on here? Pissed off, not gonna lie. Not that pissed off, but I'm pissed off. Just like feels like price action's just super annoying to me, where everything just drops so much in the first hour without giving you any entry. What a shitty day. What was it? Minus 0.5 R, minus 0.5 R, and then minus 1 R. Literally, I'm down 2 R today. So annoying. Yeah, this is break even. It sucks because, like, I don't know. It just sucks. They're not making it easy to short this. Is today the last day of the month? No, it's tomorrow. Oh well. Can't deal with this. This is so fucking stupid. Let's start consolidate. I mean, it makes sense, though. I have to just be more careful. I feel like I was, though. Hmm. First trade, I would say, yeah, I would not do again because that's just too much in discount after hitting the major sell side. And that's why I cut it prematurely. And then second trade, I would do again. Yeah. So the last 3 trades are pretty much all the same trade idea. Yeah. But that was like negative 1.5 R instead of negative 1 on the last 3 trades. Yeah. Okay, so it's like an extra negative 1 R because of my, I don't know, anxieties, because trading this kind of action's tough live, so oh well. Let's see. What's this whole ass range now? I still think we're bearish. Like, it's just a matter of fact that it's probably going to happen later. Again, like yesterday, I'm too early on this. Too early. Even yesterday, what was it? Yeah, I didn't even mind it yesterday that I tried that because we were in premium. We just had swept this and I tried shorting there. That's fine. I wasn't around for the afternoon yesterday. Because what happened yesterday? I don't even remember. Oh yeah, I tried to freaking. Oh yeah. Well, this was this. This was Tuesday. Oh, that was that was a big win. Let's see here. See there. that worked out. Let's see, measure that. That was 415 points in the morning. Today we had even more of a drop there. Makes sense. We had a huge drop. Now, that's why I was like, yeah, super strict on this third trade. I cut it break even, but like honestly, it kept dropping and it enticed me to get back in again. So, whatever. 4 hours here. Can't believe we're doing this on this hourly. Drop here, and then what? Drop, retrace all the way up here again, and now next hourly we're opening here, and yeah, we're going up. I want it down, so whatever. Let it reach up into here. Then I'll have to just wait for a 5-minute shift, and then I'll just chill out on that. But other than that, I'm not effing around today here anymore. Tried it. And I would not, I don't care. If it shoots up all the way up here, I'm not trying longs. I'm still bear bias. Yeah. It's just not distributing the rest of it now. It's just accumulating more. Damn, I was just tweeting about this. I was like, you could have an epic, amazing day, and then the next day be trash. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's just pressure. More pressure lately. This is midnight open. Fucking annoyed, honestly. You guys know that, like, I got my YouTube silver plaque in the mail, and I still didn't open it. I asked you guys if you wanted to unbox it on the stream. Maybe I'll do that. But you guys know that as of last August, they made them smaller. Like, way smaller now. So that's kind of funny. That sucks too. Because, like, YouTube's trying to cut corners there. I guess they're giving out more of them. But they're also making more money because they're giving out more of them on, like, their ad revenue. So it's kind of shitty. Let me see what my assistant's saying. Fucking trash day, bro. It's because it distributed to the rest. If emotions are keyed up, unplug and walk away, says ICT. Dude, I know, but I don't know. I'm still on the stream because, like, so that I could chill out on the stream before I end it, you know? It's so annoying. It's just so annoying. Pissed off. Anyway, Les, ICT is here. Let's unbox it. Let's see. This goes out. This is dedicated to everybody that shows up to streams on my good days and my bad days. Everyone's been here through the ups and downs since the beginning. Let's see. I have better scissors. These are my flower scissors. It says like YouTube on the box. It's cute. Dun, 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 dun. It's like so small. It's cute. Oh my gosh, I almost have permanent one. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part and recognize your achievement. Want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Shout out to Rick. If your award was damaged, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Here it is. And then it gets you a little letter from YouTube. So there's little. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed very true, and your numbers increased because of you and the community you built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100K subscribers and the Silver Creator Award. Congrats. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way with the smaller plaque. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. And here it is. Ooh, it's shiny. Woo, it's pretty. Oh, it's so reflective. This award is dedicated to the live chat that sees me on my best days and my worst days, and my the money gun game days, and the days that I start cursing through thick and thin. So that's gonna go behind me. We're gonna look at the market dropping. It's crazy. Where should we put it? All right. Let's see if that works out. Put it on the other side. Something like that. We'll figure that out. Something like that is good. Bang, bang. Dude, I don't even know what the market's doing right now. The retracements here are crazy. But yeah, shout out to Chat. Been on YouTube for like a year and a half. Ups and downs. Seen her through it all. Dude, this is so weird. I would have expected it to, at least one of them to take out the high there. manipulate first. Let's see. YM. YM's not even doing much, it's going higher. So I'm glad I at least unboxed that, because I don't want to be I don't want to let one bad trading session's not your life, so. 10:19, my assistant said, "Boss, don't overdo it." That's funny. Dude. Yeah, tomorrow's another day to trade, but it's gonna also be a large distribution probably. But I don't want to miss this something here. If something presents itself again, I'm not gonna lie, it's not. But probably not during lunchtime. I don't know. I would mark out this low. This is a low that completely rebalanced this freaking 5-minute BS. Is that where it decided to stop and retrace all that crap. So this is an intermediate term low. I do expect this to get broken at some point. And I do expect more distribution, but the question is whether I'm going to be able to execute that correctly or not. Just looking at ES on the daily here. So weird. Anyone else is seeing this? Keeps swept this low, retraced within it. Next day, swept the previous day high, closed pretty strong. This day, we took out previous day low already. It looks like it's so annoying. It's like accumulating within this. And that's how you can easily get stuck, yeah. Let's see on the daily. And where's my... For ES... It's not the same, but... It's at 59.65. What? Okay. I just want to see where that is on the daily. Fucking annoying. Okay. Yeah, if we break out of a displacement, probably will continue lower, because you don't want it to come back into a fair value gap like 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then if it reaches it again. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to trade afternoon. I have like meeting at 1 and I have a dentist appointment at 3. If I do, I'll literally take 3 more micros and it won't make up for any type of unless it's a huge win, then it would, but other than that, no. But yeah, if we end up breaking down again, I don't know, I'll try 3 micros and that's max. And that's only if it happens to break down this low again. yeah, otherwise there's no point for me to get locked in again here. I'm so annoyed, I'm not gonna lie. I don't even get it. Just straight fucking dumped here. Yeah, I'm on the 32nd too. It was very algorithmic, like, it was very institutional. I don't know. Just dump it. Yeah, that's all I could do. Can't do. It was shitty today for me. And I'm gonna put in my alerts and that's it. Other than that, I'll see you back here tomorrow. I hope tomorrow's a better day for me at least. Tomorrow's a new day. It's not the end of your career. That's it. Like, but it just sucks because I gave back what I made like this week. Now I'm like -1 R on the week. So annoying. That's how it goes though. Sometimes. Yeah. All right. I feel better now. I feel calmer. It's fine. I could curse out NQ as long as I know I'm not going to trade anymore in those sessions. Anyway, good luck, everybody. Today was a bad day for me. Literally -2R. Trash. Yeah. And what was it? One of that R's or 0.5 of that. No, like one of the R's is just literally because of poor execution on my part. And yeah. See you back here tomorrow.